Bicol University have campuses scattered throughout the provinces of Albay and Sorsogon, promoting scholarship, leadership, character, and service as its core values. The Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management has emerged as a center of the learning of the Bicol University in the fields of business, economics, and management. Specifically, the college offered programs like Bachelor of Science in Economics, Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, Bachelor of Science in Management, Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration majors in Financial Management, Human Resource Management, Marketing Management, Microfinance, and Operations Management. CBEM provides an excellent environment and a wholesome, meaningful experience for students pursuing future careers in business through its diverse intracurricular and extracurricular activities. Students can also join various organizations like Young Entrepreneur Society, a college-based organization of all entrepreneurship students. The organization is the moving force behind almost all entrepreneurial activities in college. It sponsors trade fairs, income-generating projects, and has overall supervision of student-related activities of department and business seminars. My name is Alpia Shane Echaluse, currently honored in Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management, taking Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship. I want to own and run my own business. I have a lot of ideas that I want to make a reality, and I chose BS Entrepreneurship because I know it will help me learn everything I need to know about business fundamentals. I know that this course will train and develop my leadership and management skills. I will also learn how to recognize opportunities, implement commercialization strategies, manage resources, and create business ventures in this course. As a BS Entrepreneurship student, I had the opportunity to develop the entrepreneurial skills and mindset required for the success in the business world. I learned how to start a business correctly and creatively. I also learned from my amazing professors who taught us how taking risks can lead to success and how to accept failure as part of the process of becoming a successful entrepreneur. My active participation in all school activities taught me the importance of communicating and socializing in business. Learning that, as entrepreneurs, we must listen to our customers and provide them with services and products that meet their needs. My goal as a future entrepreneur is to achieve success and growth. I want to run a successful business, make money, and solve difficult problems while determining what makes me happy. In business, I want to achieve growth in revenue, business expansion, an increase in number of employees, acquiring knowledge or new clients, improving the features of a service or product, more engagement with the target audience and community, marketing strategies, and so on, as well as personal growth.